Hey guys, Blood Groove here. Just wanted to share with y'all a couple of knives. This is a re-unboxing. Once they arrived, I opened it, but it's been sitting in the box since then, and I thought I'd just go ahead and show it to you. I think there's two items in here, so let's go ahead and look at the first one. We have the Kershaw Dune 4008X model. HCR13 black oxide coating, nylon handle, 3.8 inch blade, 7.7 inch overall, full tang construction, molded sheath and lanyard with quick release clasp. So I bought this because I started to think about carrying a neck knife, and so I did a little shopping online to see what I can find as far as neck knives go, and this seemed to be one that appealed to me. So I thought, let's give it a try. Well, that should have been in the sheath, not just laying there like that. Good thing I didn't cut myself. Let's see. This would go along with being my second Chinese knife, I suppose. First one was that Homer Zoo that I purchased. It was made by a custom knife maker. I'd rather buy it from the man than the company. But this one is made by a company. Oh wow, look at that tip. Almost looks like there's a little bit of a curve there, but it's just, yeah. Just playing tricks on me. Fits well enough. I have a 4.5 inch palm. Get just a little bit sticking out of the back. And this has the, I don't know what you call that thing. Normally you want something hanging around your neck that's not break free, but like those break free chains, excuse me. But in this case, if you don't have the ends tied on this and someone was to pull on it to choke you, this would just slide freely. It's not strong enough. So at the same time, if you were to pull the knife out of the sheath to use it, you're going to have to hold on to the sheath with the other hand. Did it say G10 handles? Glass-filled nylon. Pretty nice, I like it. It'll serve its purpose. Like I said, I just wanted to try neck knife carry. I don't really like anything around my neck, but thought I'd give this a try. Can't say I don't like it until I try it, right? What else do we have? This second item, I don't remember what it is. It's been that long. So it'll be a surprise. I believe it's another neck knife. Well, no, it's not. I don't think ProTech makes neck knives. What do we have here? Oh, okay. I think I remember what this is. Let me take a quick peek. Yeah. The Godson. In all black. ProTech Godson automatic side opening. Bit of an oil there. This is supposed to have a lot of junk. Oh yeah, you could just see it. Nice. Single edge only. This is also 154 cm. Oh no, excuse me, that was from that was the Homer Zoo knife. That was 154 cm that I was looking at earlier. Well, this thing's gonna be a fingerprint magnet. Does it come with a cleaning cloth? Nope. See that snap? That's nice. Fits well. Perfect length. Yeah, that's nice. Well, all right, guys, I just wanted to share with y'all a couple of recent purchases. Well, I guess not recent, but recent openings, reopenings. So thanks for watching. Have a good day.